Welcome to the Actian Minute, your data solution source in 60 seconds. Data governance is more than just a buzzword. It's a vital framework that businesses use to protect their most valuable asset, data. It encompasses the policies, processes, and roles that ensure data security, integrity, quality, and availability. Effective data governance safeguards businesses from costly data leaks, ransomware threats, and hefty fines. It improves data quality by identifying where data resides, its significance, and ensuring consistency. In today's landscape, every business must comply with regulations like GDPR to protect personal data. A robust data governance initiative starts with defining roles, often led by a data management office that ensures alignment across the organization. Success hinges on senior management buy-in, auditing data assets, and prioritizing efforts based on business value. See you next time for another Actian Minute, your data solution source in 60 seconds.